This house is home to a family of 5: dad, mom, and 3 kids. The concept was to create a single-story house where the family could surround themselves with the things they love. I'm Yusaka Tsusumi from Arbol Design. I try to create designs that bring people closer to nature. The house is located in Heguri, Nara. There are mountains, rivers, and rice fields. It is a peaceful and quiet residential area. The house is 45 square meters. It starts with the front entrance. The living, dining, and kitchen are in the same space. From here, you can access the other rooms. There are 2 bedrooms, a utility zone, and from the kitchen there is a terrace. From the street, you can see the towering wooden gates. There are 4 doors that can be moved individually. You can open or close them depending on how you want to spend your time. In front of the gate, there is a parking space and a garden. When the wooden doors are opened, it reveals a galvanized steel house. The entrance is both a porch and an outdoor living space. A roof covers this area so it can be enjoyed even when it rains or during the hot summers. There is a wooden box that doubles as a bench. Shoes can be stored inside the wooden box. From the porch, there are 3 doors that immediately open up to the living, dining, and kitchen. The living and dining areas are raised 1 step above the kitchen. The living room has a sofa, TV, and some pieces the family has collected. There are long and narrow windows on the left and right of the living room, designed to bring in extra light. We made a large dining table that not only has meals on it, but can be used as a kitchen prep surface. On the dining side, it is set at seating height. On the kitchen side, you can use the table while standing. This area was designed to accommodate the family's favorite chairs. On the kitchen side, there is storage under the dining table. There is space for a microwave, rice cooker, oven toaster, plates, and other kitchen items. The kitchen is made from stainless steel. The cabinets are made from Mortex, the same material as the dining table. The kitchen has a gas stove and a fish grill. There are closed storage to hide unsightly items. At the end of the kitchen, there is a door that opens up to a terrace. It allows for easy access to take the washing in when it rains. The main bedroom is where the entire family sleeps together. When it is bedtime, the futons are laid out. In the morning, the futons are folded, and the room can be used for other purposes. The other bedroom is currently an office. In the future, it will be the children's room with a bunk bed. This room also has a built-in closet. The utility zone starts with a wash basin and toilet. Further in, there is a washing machine, closet, and an area to dry clothes. The wash basin area is tiled. There is storage behind the mirror. The toilet is tankless, and there's storage above. The bathroom is what you typically find in Japanese homes. The laundry area has access to natural light and air circulation, so it's a great spot for hanging laundry. When the clothes are dry, they can be stored directly in the storage area below. Living in today's society, we are often overflowing with things. There is an emphasis on making more room to store them. We need to reconsider the things we own, go back to just the basics, and live more minimally.